Come with me for a week as a freelance designer newbie. This week I have 3 main goals: working on freelance design work, content creation, and getting a job in urbanism. So to see how I juggle and achieve all of this, let's start this week. I'm not a professional, I'm just an architecture student trying to make it into the professional world with my designs and communication skills. And I'm bringing you along with me. So gym is over, I'm heading to a coffee shop to get to work because it's actually not raining today and it's been a long time, so I want to enjoy being outside. I personally love watching videos where people are working on their own dreams, creating their small businesses and doing creative work. It inspires and motivates me so much. Nice little cappuccino with oat milk. So this morning I actually got an inquiry for a logo. So I actually already did a logo for this person for a restaurant, and now they're making some hotel and they asked me to do the logo. So I need to send them a few questions about the exact concept and the target audience to understand a bit more the kind of logo that they would need. And so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna prepare the questions that I'm gonna send them so that I can have all the information to do the best logo I can. So actually for this work, I'm doing it voluntarily just because it's a friend I met when I was backpacking in Southeast Asia. I just take it as a great way to learn and experiment and actually have a real project for which I can do a logo. So I just finished my Notion template and I'm gonna send the table directly to the person so that they can fill it up and I can get all the information I need. Part of my freelance journey is also working on this YouTube channel and on my Instagram. So this afternoon I have to shoot 2 reels and also finish the editing of my video. I took a little break in the past few years and I'm starting over again, and I just think I learned so much in the time that I took off, and it's just a pleasure to get back to doing some videos and sharing my own journey. Yeah, it makes me very happy, and I hope that some people might connect with my own experience and that we can build a community of like-minded creatives who are just figuring it out in the real adult world. Since I got passionate about graphic design, I'm trying a few formats and experimenting on social media to try to use my own design skills and do something of my own and create my own personal brand. Today is a new day. Yesterday I just did some editing and really struggled about uploading my reels. Anyway, it has worked out, and actually yesterday I got a call from the firm where I did my internship. It's an urban planning firm and I worked for them for 6 months, and I ran into one of the co-workers really randomly at a festival a few weeks ago. So I contacted the boss and saying that I was here, free, willing to work again for them. It would be for me a great experience, first of all to get like a bit more work experience, also to tie our relationships, because I would be really interested to start working for them when I'm done with my degree in 1 year. So it's also kind of making this like middle step to be like, I'm still here and I will still be here in 1 year. Please keep a spot available for me. So we just spoke very shortly about kind of like the setting, just to make sure that it was gonna work out and that we both had like the same expectations. And today I'm actually going there to my old office to have a little chat and see how we're actually gonna make it work. But I'm really happy about it. I think it's great. It was a really nice work atmosphere. I really liked it. So I'm excited to work with them and for them again. Let's go get a job. You know, I find that this always happens when you are starting to work on your own or doing a bit of freelancing. It always happens that you have no project, nothing to do, and so you say yes to every prospect, and then somehow everything ends up happening at the same moment. This is exactly what is happening right now. Let's go. But I guess this is how it works and you just have to deal with it. Hello. So I got the job. This is not really part of the freelance life since I will have a contract as an employee for 1 month. I will be working 2 days per week. So I'm really happy. I'm excited to start Monday. And just like this, I have a job for the next few weeks. But let's get back to the other projects. I'm working on a reel that has an affiliate link. And I've been thinking about having a place where all my links are put together so that people clicking on my videos are able to click on my affiliate links. And there's actually actually one content creator and illustrator that I follow that has kind of a nice personalized web page that you can click on when you click for the link, and I want to take this as kind of my reference idea and build my own link template. Since it's gonna be like a web page, actually I'm using ReadyMag. It's a website builder that I've been using in the past, and I think it's quite easy to use. It's really intuitive, especially if you do some sort of design or so. I'm gonna have two formats, one for a computer and one for a smartphone, because since it's a page for affiliate links, it's very probably gonna be looked on a smartphone coming from like Instagram or something. So I need to make sure that it's really nice looking for people on a smartphone. This is the page with like my little face, and then what I do, a little description, and then like the links to my social media. And I need to fill this up, but it's gonna be with my other links that I already have. So if you want to build a website in a very easy and intuitive way, definitely check out ReadyMag. I put an affiliate link in the description so you can check it out. And if you want to see for yourself what I'm working on, you can just go on my Instagram in the bio, and the link that I put is what I'm actually doing right now, so you can see for yourself how it looks like. So I'm currently in Hamburg. This is the city where I did my Erasmus and kind of fell in love with the city. So I've been back for an internship, and now I'm back here and I'm gonna work again. So I just love this city so much. Something that I really enjoy here is also the architecture. Like, you have some kind of these buildings just hanging around, and it's so cool. Because Hamburg was a merchant city with the port, and it got a lot of money during the 19th century. And so you have this kind of building which are just so pretty. And it's also my favorite moment in architecture. So I'm just so happy to be in this kind of city. So, new day, new coffee shop. I'm now at one of my favorite coffee shops because they have like a backyard, which is so nice. And I'm gonna work on some freelance design for the startup I talked to you about in my last video, this one. Basically, I have a few things that I need to do that we talked about together. For you to understand, it's basically a project that is to create a website that you can use to plan your own adventures in train and bike. And so it's an interactive map. You can choose your start point and your end point, and then it helps you choose the journey that you can do using local train lines, biking and hiking. And I designed the entire interface, and now I'm doing kind of more of the design for the marketing part and also continuing the design for the interface itself, and I'm managing the social media. So if you want to follow it, here's the social media. You can follow what we will be doing. But for now, I need to make a thank you card for all the people who gave us a bit of money when we did fundraising. So this is the first task for this project. For this project, I'm also working for free, but this time I'm part of the team. It's just a great opportunity for me to try very different things, to get some responsibility which I would otherwise maybe not have. And it's just a great trial and error project where I can touch a lot of different things. That's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the format, let me know in the comments. And also, if you are working on some side projects or trying to get some more experience, tell me in the comments what you're actually doing and what you're working on. I think it's so interesting to just share our own dreams and aspirations. I would be super interested to read it. And otherwise, I just wish you the best of luck in pursuing your own projects, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!